I'm Shreya Sethia and I'm your social science teacher. Today we are going to study social science civics chapter number 2. So we are going to start with hard words. Let's start. First word is universal suffrage. Universal suffrage, UNIVERSAL SUFFRAGE, suffrage. Meaning of this word is the right of almost all adults or people who are 18 or above to vote in election or in political elections. It's called universal suffrage. Next word is consent, CONSENT, consent. It means agreement or giving permission given by a person to do something. It's called consent, right? Consent. Next is elections, elections, elections. The action of electing the representative is called election. Next is supreme power, SUPREME, supreme power, 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 supreme power. The most powerful or highest powerful person is called supreme power. Next word is election commission, ELECTION, election commission, COMMISSION, commission. Meaning of this word is we can say it's a administration which is responsible for administrating election process. election की process की पूरी administration election commission के hands में होती है. Then next is ballot paper, ballot paper, BALLOT, ballot paper, PAPER, paper. Ballot paper is a slip of paper which is used to register a vote, right? That is called ballot paper. Next is EVM. EVM. Full form of EVM is electronic voting machine. Electronic voting machine. Electronic voting machine is a kind of machine which is used for electing candidate. The voters only required to press the button against the name of candidate of their choice. So this machine works like this. Okay, and furthermore we are going to discuss this in chapter. Next is constituency, CONSTIETUENCY, constituency. Constituency. Meaning of this word is constituency is created for conducting elections. The country or a state is divided into different areas and those areas are called constituencies. Okay, इलेक्शन कंडक्ट करने के लिए कंट्री और स्टेट को डिफरेंट एरियाज़ में डिवाइड किया जाता है और उन एरियाज़ को कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. Political parties. Meaning of this word is group of people who share similar view on the political issue. They are called political party, right? Next is regional parties. REGIONAL, regional parties. Meaning of this word is parties work at regional level. वो parties जो regional level पे work करती हैं उसे regional party कहते हैं या regional parties कहते हैं. Then next is criticize. Criticize, CRITICISE, criticize. Criticize करना मतलब किसी person में या किसी चीज़ में fault ढूंढना, right? To find fault in others is called criticizing them in a negative manner. Next word is majority party. Now majority party is a party which gets maximum number of vote in election. It's called majority party. And next is opposition, OPPOSITION, opposition. Opposition is also a party or other elected member of the house, right? Next is alliance. 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 Alliance means group, forming a group of two or more than two. Next is coalition government. COALITION. Coalition government. 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 Now, coalition government is the government which is formed by the group. The group may be two or more parties, right? वो गवर्नमेंट जो टू और मोर पार्टी के अलायंस से या कोलेशन से बनती है, ऐसी गवर्नमेंट को कोलेशन गवर्नमेंट कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज कंसल्टेड. CONSULTED. Consulted. Meaning of this word is to take advice from someone, some person. Next is Chief Election Commission. Chief Election Commissioner. Chief Election Commissioner is the person who is appointed by the president and he is the head of election commission. Okay.